Hello friends, Philately of India for the year 2019. A selection from our collection. 50 years of Central Institute of Plastic Engineering and Technology. It was established in the year 1968 by Government of India at Chennai. Two stamps are issued to commemorate the event Aero India. This show provides a unique opportunity for the aviation industry, civil as well as defense. The show was incepted in 1996, Banaras Hindu University. It was established in 1919. From the year 2012, this institute was given status of Indian Institute of Technology. Two stamps are issued in the memory of martyrs of Jallianwala Bagh, 100 years of that event. A series and sequence of stamps was issued to kindle the memories of Indians in the First World War. The themes covered are battlefields, personalities, monuments, and lastly, the treaty proclaiming the end of the war. 4 battlefields, they are Mesopotamia, France and Belgium, East Africa, and Gallipoli. 4 air warriors, Lieutenant Indralal Roy, Lieutenant H.S. Malik, Lieutenant S.C. Velinkar, Lieutenant E.S. Chandrasen. 6 war memorials, India Gate, Delhi, Teen Murti Haifa, Delhi, Menin Gate, Belgium, Chhatri Smarak, Brighton, United Kingdom, New Chapel Smarak, France, and Indian Military Memorial, France. The Treaty of Versailles. This marked the end of World War I. For its contribution to the war effort, India gained independent representation in the conference which took place in 1919. Maharaja Ganga Singh of Bikaner was one of the signatories of the treaty. Birth centenary of Marshal of Indian Air Force Arjun Singh. He proved his mettle in the war of 1965 against Pakistan. Arjun Singh was the first air chief who kept his flying category till he reached this rank, having flown over 60 different types of aircrafts. Historical gates. 8 stamps are issued depicting Court Gate, Bikaner, Joravar Singh Gate, Jaipur, Sardar Market Gate, Jodhpur, Kashmiri Gate, Delhi, Rumi Darwaza, Lucknow, Magazine Gate, Ajmer, Buland Darwaza, Fatehpur Sikri, Delhi Gate, Delhi. Siachen Glacier, the highest battlefield in the world. It is the land of extreme hostile climatic conditions. Several attempts have been made by Pakistan to dislodge Indian troops from their position on Siachen Glacier. Indian troops with their bravery have thwarted these attempts. Salute to Indian troops guarding Siachen Glacier. 5 stamps are issued to commemorate 550th birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev. The stamps portray 5 sacred Gurudwara, namely Gurudwara Nanak Lama Sahib, Tibet, Gurudwara Darbar Sahib, Gurdaspur, Gurudwara Janamasthan near Lahore, Gurudwara Nanak Jhira Sahib, Bidar, Gurudwara Bear Sahib, Sultanpur. The stamp marks 250th session of Rajya Sabha. Earlier, on 11th of December 2003, a stamp was issued to commemorate 200th session of Rajya Sabha. Thank you for keeping company of Vishwas Joshi. Like, share and subscribe.